we're going to push the mirror to the bottom, bring the convex out, grab the circlip, take the circlip out. That'll allow you to just slide the head just off the cover. There it is there. Unclip that cover. And then it's this screw here that's come loose. I'll just ravel that out. Just need to put a little bit of Loctite on the screw. Hold that bottom cover up.
Yes, or I can take your order here and we can just put you in the system. Once they're ready, we'll contact you. Is that okay? Okay. So, that was Charlie, was it?
And then just give it a good bit of tension. That'll stop all that wobble in the head. Clip your arm cover from the back. Slide the head back on. And then just reverse your circlip back in.
What features do you have in your vehicle now? Do you have powerful indicators?
And that'll just take all that movement out of the head.
Standard